Corn is essential to Texas. Though the Lone Star State ranks 12th in the nation in growing corn, it's still a vital crop, especially for the state's number one commodity, cattle. The vast majority of corn grown in Texas is for livestock feed, so farmers like Robert Fleming grow the corn, which feeds the cattle that feeds Texans. Robert had a less than perfect year on his farm just outside of Troy, but surprisingly, harvest turned out better than expected.
Well, the corn crop for us, what we're harvesting looks real good. However, in May, we suffered a severe damage to hail, and we ended up baling 250 acres for hay.
Hail not only damaged his crops, but straight-line winds took out one of his grain bins. Robert isn't the only one that struggled with Mother Nature this year. Ongoing drought continues to plague Texas farmers, especially in the largest corn-growing regions of the state. Farmers in the corn-centric Midwest were unusually wet early on and dry recently. Despite the weather, USDA is predicting a record corn crop, maybe the largest in history. The National Agricultural Statistics Service foresees a national yield of 13.8 billion bushels, up 28% from last year. Back in central Texas, harvest is done, but it wasn't a record-breaking year for Robert. The weather finally did cooperate before harvest and just in time.
Here locally, the crop in this area, the good Lord bless us with ample moisture, and the crops are pretty good, and the Midwest temperatures and rainfall have been excellent. With the amount of acres that they're planting, I certainly expect a record crop.
Corn harvest nears conclusion in the state. With so many factors affecting the crop, from the soil to the combine, an exceptional year can become below average in an instant. Farmers will continue to hold their breath until their crop is finally in the bin. For TFB News, Gene Hall, Troy.